spend a day with me as a mompreneur. I start off with a 4-mile walk jog intervals, and then of course it's time for coffee and collagen. I found this one that actually has a lot of protein in it as well, so it's collagen and protein. I've been trying to measure out my creamer intake because sometimes I'm just like a creamer queen and I use way too much creamer in my coffee. So I started measuring it out, and then it was time to get to work. Had to do some deposit collections, some booking assistance. People just text me all day to help them book, and then of course we had to do some editing, and I just say okay throughout everything so many times. So literally I'm just cutting out the million okays that I said. 15. I did not mean for my work to take me that long, but I have got to hop in the shower, and then I'm heading to Target to do a quick pickup. We're gonna head back home and cook my lunch and the girls' lunch so that they're good while I'm gone. They are 16, but yeah, we still gotta make sure they're taken care of. Okay, so I started my period yesterday and I just want to be comfortable today, so I think I'm gonna wear this like cute little tennis dress. And look at the tan. Crazy. I'm gonna put on makeup. It's just too fucking hot. I think I'm just gonna do like sunscreen, and then I'll probably put like a little bit of the Rare Beauty Flaunt Liquid Luminizer so I don't look crazy. And then of course I'm gonna do some lashes. I really usually leave the house without lashes, but I've been using lash clusters just because I feel like it's nice to be able to change like what they look like every day. And sometimes, I don't know what it is, sometimes when I get lash extensions, I end up not being happy with them, and then you have to have them for 2 weeks. It's like you're stuck. I don't know if I don't really like that as much. Oh, and then for my body, I'm gonna use the Vacation Shimmer Oil. It has SPF 30 in it, and it makes you glow and shine, so it's my favorite. Actually just told me this week that they hate the way sunscreen smells, and I'm like, are you okay? Sunscreen smells amazing. And they do have, so I actually just got it, they do have a new perfume that literally just smells like sunscreen. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, we're gonna do these cute little Kate Spade like pink heart earrings. Okay, let's get started with the lashes. I'm actually just using these random ones that I've been using lately. I've been finding them at TJ Maxx. They're the ones that are like pre-glued. I do feel like, unfortunately, when I wear them, they don't stay on my inner corners. I have really like kind of almondy shaped eyes, and I think because of the eye shape, they have a hard time staying. So I'm gonna use this Bond and Seal glue too. I of course already have it on my eyelid, but we'll worry about that after. I'm gonna do a cat eye. I just feel like a cat eye looks way better on me than an open eye. I actually am having a meeting today with the rest of the girls in the suite because we're gonna have an event. We're gonna have an event on July 11th. So we're actually gonna do like only walk-ins because none of us really do walk-ins. I'm in like a salon suite kind of vibe. None of us really do walk-ins. But we're trying to like get more people to come in because I mean it's middle of June and it's looking like crickets out there. It's looking like straight up crickets out there. Like usually we'd be doing like what is it? I think it's June 17th. I would be doing like $1,000 days already. I should be at $1,000 days. And I'm not. I'm at like $500 days, $600 days. That's like a slow season day. And everybody else is kind of in the same boat and kind of like, whoa, what's going on? I will say I still do like, my expenses are low. I think my expenses really low on purpose because I've had my business open for 5 years, and I know well enough that things can change at any moment. So I like to keep my expenses really low. I don't do anything too crazy. Obviously I just have my house rent, the salon rent, all the basic things, and I have the girls. But you know, when things drop off like that, people start to struggle. the beauty industry low-key has a high turnover rate. I don't know if people realize that, but there's a high turnover for businesses and there's a high turnover for, you know, just keeping your job. Like, you actually kind of have to be good at what you do, and it's not even just being good at what you do, because so many people are good at what you do, but it's like you have to have a personality. You gotta like have a personality, you gotta create and stuff with your clients. So you guys are gonna see that today. You're gonna see me in my meeting, like talking about how we're gonna get ourselves busier and start seeing those summer numbers. And I mean, we'll all have summer numbers for 4th of July, which is coming up, but we should be having it well through. Like, I just shouldn't be staying $500 days in fucking, ooh. I just shouldn't be seeing $500 days in fucking June. So I think we're really starting to get into like some wild recession indicators, which obviously is scary for any business owner, you know? Hold on, I'm sure. Okay, so I think, oh, sorry, I washed my hair. So I washed my scalp. I have a little scalp psoriasis, and I also have psoriasis that gets pretty bad on my feet. So I try to like keep it as good as possible. But I think I'm gonna put, I don't think I'm gonna do anything with eyebrows. I think I'm just gonna let them be natural, but I'm gonna put just a little, lighten me up a little bit here. Just pat it on my fingers real quick. I just want to look like a nice little summery glow since I'm not really doing any foundation or anything. I'm gonna use the Lena. I think I'm gonna use this one today. It doesn't have any SPF or anything in it, but it's super hydrating. So I'll call that a day. And it's the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Peached Iced Tea. I noticed, like, I know that everybody's in that, like, I don't know what is going on. I know everybody's like in that space where they want to do browns. I don't quite understand the brown lip. I don't think it looks, well, it's good on some people. I don't think it looks good on me. Let me fix this. My front ones, like, you guys, I've been needing to take my hair out. I really need to because it's looking awful. I'm gonna feed this one through a little bit, but it looks pretty fucking bad. Honestly, I think I'm gonna be able to do it on Sunday. I just really haven't had a lot of time. If you see me in the next vlog still with the same hair, it's time to start bullying me in the comments, because I shouldn't have it like that. I think I'm gonna just like that, but I don't think I'm gonna leave anything down. I think I'm gonna keep my hair off my neck today. I think we've got like a cute little summer, easy look. Good enough. Okay, so let's try to get. The only thing that I really like about braids is like once you like get your edges done, like once you, if you just like do your edges, sometimes it kind of really like revives them. It makes life beautiful again. I feel like it's super cute and easy for today, and will hopefully keep me cool. Okay, I'm gonna go to Target first. I know we're not supposed to be shopping at Target, but they have grocery pickup. It's free and I don't have to get out of the car, and I live in a place that is hot, so I don't know where else to go. I don't know where else you want me to go. I'm gonna head over there first. as close as possible so that the workers don't have to walk too far to me in the heat. So we're gonna put space number 2 in the ad. Okay, so they just dropped everything off to me. So I did get this little avocado ranch salad kit that I think I'm gonna take today. I'm just gonna add some ground like turkey to it. I think I'm just gonna make like taco turkey and try to make it like an avocado taco salad type thing. So I just got like some ground turkey, and then oh, and then I got my daughter, and then plus I got some taco seasoning, and don't mind my nails, my daughter's actually doing them tomorrow. And then, yes, I am the one keeping Dynamites open because I buy them for my daughters. Oh, and then I got these. So I don't know if you guys have been put onto these yet, but they're 120 calories and you get 28 pieces. And they're so good, you guys. Like, you guys have to try them. A lot of the times I notice that they'll sell out. And then you have to like ship them to you. But I noticed like since they came out with like whatever these 4th of July ones are. Oh, and if you have 21 pieces, it's only 90 calories. Whatever these 4th of July ones are, like they've been having them in stock. So yeah, just a little tip, because I know I like a sweet. I know I like sweets, but I'm also trying to like have a hot girl summer, so it's like trying to find the median of that, you know? Okay, so I just need to get Pellin. So I actually have some credits at Sally's, so I'm actually just gonna run in there and get Pellin. So because my 4 o'clock canceled, I don't need to leave the house until 2:30. It's 12:33 right now. So I'm gonna run into Sally's. I'm just gonna get Pellin because I have that discount. I feel like it's always worth it to look for discounts when you're running any business. So yeah, let's go handle that real quick. Okay, the Pellin is secure. See how it's like falling off down on the center corner? The Pellin is secured. I'm gonna head back home. I need to cook and make that salad. I think I'm gonna make my kids like a bowl instead of a salad. I think they might eat that or be more down to eat that. And then it's 12:39. I'm kind of hoping I get a chance to just like sit down for a little bit before I actually have to leave, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we're back home. I'm gonna get all of this inside and get it put away, and then I'm gonna start cooking. It's 1:53. I decided to randomly throw my sheets in the wash, and I'm going to Carlsbad tomorrow, so I had a specific outfit that I wanted to wear, so I'm throwing that in there with it. I just started it, and then I decided to put the ground turkey in the air fryer so that I didn't have to like keep too much of an eye on it, so that I can just like sit down for a sec. It's already 1:01. I am watching America's Sweetheart on Netflix. I love the Dallas Cowboy cheerleader situation. I am like, man, I wish I had been a dancer. They're just like iconic. Those girls are literally iconic. Okay, so we're gonna actually make 3 burritos. 2 for my twin 16-year-olds and then 1 for me for later. And then for right now, I'm gonna be eating the salad with a little bit of taco meat in it. I'm gonna make a little bit of guac, and then of course some of the meat. I'm gonna do just like a little bit of sweet peppers. And I'm gonna do a little teeny bit of corn. Okay, I'm looking gonna steal some of the lettuce from the avocado salad. I'm gonna try shredded lettuce, and then all of us are obsessed with sour cream, so I've got to put that in there. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on the girls. So now we've just gotta roll these up. Okay, so for the twins, we've got them all set up and packed up. They have their burrito, and then I put some strawberries in there, and then I put some little Just Deliciouses in there. With plenty of other snacks and stuff. I just like to make sure that they have like a meal, or I feel like they just eat snacks all day because they're 16. So, and then I'll be home by lunchtime. So I'll be home by dinner time. We'll see how I feel. I might cook. I might grab something depending on how tired I am. So we were low on strawberries, or I would have packed myself some, but I'm just gonna pack myself my burrito, some of the little Just Deliciouses. Go ahead and make this avocado salad for me right now. I'm literally starving. For breakfast this morning, I didn't make any breakfast. I think it was just so hot after my run that I was just so hungry. So all I've had is coffee, and it's 1:30. So there's no way I'm gonna eat all of this, but I'm excited. Okay, so it's 1:35. 1:38. I just switched everything into the dryer, and I am finally sitting down eating salad. Okay, so it is 2:50. I was supposed to leave the house at 2:30, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it was just really hard to leave. It's hot outside today, and when I changed my clothes, that dress was just a little uncomfy. Like, it kind of like fits funny. I don't know, so I just changed. I think I'll be more comfortable in this. And you know, I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing like leggings, and oh, actually I think I'm going the way I can't go. They're like paving the street out here, and they have like all these fucking streets like cut off and stuff. It's actually really annoying. But yes, I'm heading in. It's 2:50. I'm sure that I'll be there. Like, my first client's at 4:30. I'll probably be there, like, hopefully I'll be there at like 4 o'clock. But let's see. Hey girl!
Hey, finally here.
I know, I'm so, by the way.
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is my girl Vanessa. She actually went to the suite next to me, and she just always has like this really cool like goth vibe in her space. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick, and then this is my product. She actually does sell my product as well, so
Looks so
just love her and wanted to show that off.
Hi. Filter on it will be cute. Yeah, I was gonna say you better. That's true, because you gotta set up.
Yeah, I'm recruiting my family, so.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I'm like, you guys are all coming in.
I can recruit my kids too if we need extra help. Yeah. $15 brows too. Little bitty facials. I think I'm gonna charge 30.
Hi today.
And thanks for spending the day with me.